friends, welcome to Vegetarian Rocks, and today I'm going to share you a very good recipe which is just 5-minute rice, or we call it poha. It's the parched rice, it's written on the packet, and you can call it thick poha also. You can feel the texture. These are the flattened rice, and it will take just 5 minutes to make a super snack for your guest and for your hungry children. So I'll tell you the ingredients. See, there are some frozen vegetables. You can take other also. These are capsicum, some salt according to your taste, and these are almonds. You can use peanuts also. These are 1 chopped onion with a green chili, and these are mustard seeds with the curry leaves. They all are available in the Indian market, and this is 1 chopped tomato. So let's get started. First of all, just add oil. And add these mustard seeds, curry leaves, almonds, onion, and green chili. And just wait until it becomes brown. And friends, side by side, just wash the poha. And these rice are ready. You just need to wash it and little bit just wet them all. No need to soak them for minutes. Place it here, and see, our onions are ready. Add tomato, and just add little bit of turmeric powder. And for the authentic taste, you just need to add 1 spoon of sugar. And with them, add all the vegetables. So guys, these all are frozen vegetables. So I just took it out from my refrigerator, washed them, and used it. Capsicum. And add salt to taste, like 1.5 tablespoons. And cover it for just 1 minute. So this is almost done, and this is the time to add poha into it, or parched rice into it. You can see these are as good as like cooked rice. It's high in fiber and low in carbs as compared to the regular rice. Just mix it well and add lemon juice. It's near about 1 lemon. And cover the lid for 1 minute more. So friends, our 5-minute rice are ready. Serve this and garnish with coriander and spring onions, and enjoy your snack. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.